What's going on, everyone? Honda Fit for Adventure here, and right after my last tour video took off, I got quite a few suggestions of how to streamline and make the Honda Fit camper more efficient, and today we're going to do one of those suggestions. And one of the commenters suggested that we drill out some of my bed frame. My bed frame is made out of 1/2-inch plywood and 3/4-inch wood planks instead of using 3/4-inch plywood and 2x4s. So my total bed frame weight is 32.4 pounds. Hopefully by drilling out some of the wood, we're going to drop it down to 20 pounds. The hole size that I'm drilling today is 2 3/4 inches. I do have a 3-inch hole saw, so if we just miss our target weight, I will go through these one more time and make the holes a bit larger. That is also why they're spaced out quite further than they need to be. These are spaced out 2 inches apart, and the ones on the inside are spaced out 1 inch apart. So far, I'm just going to drill towards the back side because this will be covered by the rear quarter panels and the hatch area. The front area will be exposed when I open the rear car door, which you're like, why does that matter? I take my car to car shows sometimes, so I want this to be one solid piece of wood rather than having a bunch of holes drilled through it everywhere. Once the holes are drilled out and we reach whatever weight we're going to get, I'm going to take the stain and then stain the holes so it looks nice and clean. Anyway, I got a lot of drilling to do. Let me turn on the exhaust fan and get started. Can we get a drum roll? How much have we saved so far? Please be at least like the frame. 30.4 pounds. All those holes and we saved 2 pounds. I guess I'm gonna drill some more holes in here. Hopefully we can drop it down to like 28. Alright, I just got done drilling some more holes. I got them closer together than the back ones. The last weight check-in, maybe the frame wasn't centered because I just weighed it after drilling not so many holes and there was a huge weight difference. So now I'm at like 26 something pounds. 26.8. Yeah, so we started with 32.4. The last check-in was 30.4. That might have been off-centered, causing more weight on the scale. Now we're at 26.8. So for sure we're gonna get to 25 pounds. Can we reach 20? Let's see what we have. Oh, we're looking at 26.2 pounds. 26.2. So we went from 32.4 all the way down to 26.2 pounds with our total weight savings of 6.2 pounds. I at least thought we were gonna get 10 pounds. If I went with bigger holes, I probably could have gotten a little more. Again, I'm not gonna do this because this is what's gonna be exposed when I open the door. And I also might want to put a strap there and clip something on the side. Same thing on that side, obviously. I ended up doing the front. It looks pretty good. That is a 1/2 inch thick, so I'm not going to cut that. It already flexes a little bit when you sit on it with no mat. I'm debating if I want to do the legs. I could probably get 2 holes there. You know what? Let's go ahead and do the legs and try to get that down to a 26-pound weight. So I'm going to clean up the holes with some sandpaper, make those nice and smooth, and then get it all stained up. And I don't know if it'll dry before I have to go to work, but there is a small car show tomorrow. I definitely want to get this all put back together as soon as possible and try to make the car show. Oh, I drilled a hole in the wrong spot. Hopefully I got some spare wood back there somewhere, and I'll fix that up another day. But I'm gonna get sandpaper out, clean these holes up, and then get the stain going. Alright, I just got done final sanding all the holes. Now I'm about to wipe it down and stain it. And I think I saved a little bit of weight by sanding it. So let's come on, 26 pounds even. 26. So I just got done drilling out some more holes. I added some small ones where I could. Could have gone a little more, but I didn't want to make it look like Swiss cheese. So let's find out how much our final weight is. Oh, the initial weight of the bed frame was 32.4 pounds. Someone suggested by drilling holes in the bed frame, we could probably save about half the weight. I was kind of aiming toward 30%, and overall we saved 21.6%. If I drilled the holes a little bit larger and closer together, I bet you we probably could have got it up to 25%, but anything past that might be a little hard to get, at least with my bed frame setup. Is it entirely worth it? I'm not sure. Drilling out the holes was quite a lot of work, but overall we are saving weight here and there in my car camper. And with the weight savings, we're gonna get better fuel economy. And with the way gas prices are now, every little bit's gonna help. So thank you everyone for watching. This concludes today's videos. And if you have any more suggestions for improvements to my car campers or to help others out, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.